Welcome to this video. You will learn how to insert hyperlinks in your PowerPoint presentation. Hyperlinking text is done in three ways. The first one is linking to an existing file or web page. The second one is linking to a place within this document. The third one is linking to an email address. Let me show you how to link to an existing file. Highlight the text which you want to link, then right-click on it and then click Hyperlink. It opens the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. So you have these four options on the left side of the dialog box. You're going to link to an existing file or web page. You're going to link to a place within this document. You can also create a new document and link it directly, or you can link to an email address. So for the start, the first one, let's link to an existing file or web page. So when you click on that, you look for the file to which you want to link. For example, you can link to a Word document like this one, Namagunga Day 2025. But you can also link to a music file, a video, or you can link to an image. You can link to any type of file. So for now, let me link to this document here, then click OK. You see, the color of the link hyperlink text will change, and then it will be underlined, and when you point to it, it shows you the file path. You can see the file path there. Hyperlinks are inactive when you're not running slideshow. So for us to test that hyperlink, click on slideshow so that you run the slideshow. Now that is the hyperlink. Click on it. It is saying Microsoft Office has identified a potential security concern. I trust the file, so I click yes. So you see, it opens this document which you linked to. Now the beauty with hyperlinks is when I close the other file, it brings me back to my presentation. The presentation stays open until I escape from it. Okay, now let me show you how to connect or how to place a link with that connects within the document. Highlight the text, right click. It is the same method. Click hyperlink. Place within this document. It will give you the places that are available. This document, which I'm working with, has only 2 slides. You can see there is slide titles, hyperlink. That is the first slide. Then the second slide is the link to the second one, which I'm actually running on. So to test, let me link to the first slide. I click on it. So even if there were 40 slides and you want to link the second slide to the 30th, it is possible. So you click OK. Now there is a hyperlink. You see the text has also changed. So runs the slideshow. Let's test by running slideshow here. It is now open. You click on it, you see. When I click on it, it takes me to the slide. This is the first slide I linked to, which is okay. Now let me also test with the last one, that is email address. Highlight, right click, and then hyperlink. Okay, click on email address. It is here, you see, text to display, email address. Email address, to which email address are you connecting or are you linking? Let me link to geoffrey@gmail.com. Subject, we don't need the subject as for now. Okay, so you can click OK because we're just linking the presentation to that email address, so that when the person who is using this presentation wants to send me an email, it is a matter of clicking on that text. Click OK. All right, you see, it is now also a hyperlink. We can test it by running the slideshow and then click on email address. Oh, you see, it brings me straight to Gmail for me to send a Gmail message. So that is it about hyperlinking to email. Let me close it. Let me connect to a web page so that you see how linking to a web page works. Highlight, same method, no change, no difference. Hyperlink. Now, if I want to hyperlink to a web page which is existing on the internet, you see this? This is existing file or web page. I come and type the address here, the web address. For example, www.kasawa.net. Okay. Then after typing the web address or the URL for the page which you want to connect to here, you click OK. Run slideshow to test. Okay, click on it. Congratulations. You've been able to add hyperlinks. That is my web page. You see, it has linked to that web page. So it is a matter of putting there a web address or the page address, the URL, and then it will link for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.